Hey guys, today back from another bird video. It's a little rainy outside today, so we'll see if any of the birds actually like the rain. So once again, this is going to be around 10 minutes. So, as you can see, we moved the feeder out here. So it's not under the porch anymore, so we're not going to be switching back and forth. Sorry if the window's a little blurry, if you can't see, but you can generally see the feeder, which is what we need. So we'll just watch and see what comes up. So we moved the feeder out here, like I said, out into the yard, so. And as you can see, that's the first bird of the day. Well, not the day, but the video. And that was a white-breasted nuthatch. Maybe we'll see what else pops up. I have a flock of starlings coming around, so you might get to see that. Although I hope they don't come because they eat everything, so it's kind of annoying. That is a house sparrow. And there's another sparrow on the ground. Although we're looking at the feeder, let me see. Yeah, sorry. Also a chipmunk out there, but we don't need to look at that. Yep, this house sparrow flew away. So we're generally looking at the birds on the feeder. That's the starling. So those are called European starlings. They're all over the place by my house right now. It's kind of annoying, but chances are that's not the last of them. There's probably going to be more popping up anytime soon. We've got babies of those too, so you probably will get to see that. So, just watch and see. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe that was only one because he flew off. We'll zoom out a little bit so we can maybe look at the birds in the ground too. Slow day, maybe it's because of the rain. I don't know for sure here. Some of the birds. And that's the white-breasted nuthatch again. And he flew off. But yeah, I see those a good amount of times. So they're all over, like lots of birds are. That is a chickadee. Oops, that's. If you want to be specific, that's a Carolina chickadee. You may have seen black-capped chickadees too, but we don't have those around here. So you can see on the ground, sort of towards the bottom middle, there is a sparrow down there. And he flew off, but I can't be sure, but I think that was a song sparrow. Up, and then there's the starling again. And we'll zoom in so we can get a good look at it. There's a white-breasted nuthatch in the top there. There we go, that looks. Alright, this is a sparrow in the sweet cage. That, I believe, is a song sparrow. Or something like that. It's that hard to tell now since we're not as close to the feeder. But it's still a good video. Still a good spot for it. Still a good video. And that was a Carolina chickadee. If you're interested, if you like watching the birds, and maybe interested in a couple weeks, I'll be up at my grandma's house, and we'll be able to do some bird videos there too. So we'll see some other bird kinds there, and we'll be able to mix it up. Definitely a slow day. But you never know who pops up. Like, it's not raining a whole lot, so anybody could come. And that's a white person that has, once again, it seems like he's popping in and out. Ah, sparrow. I think it actually is a house sparrow, female though, but sometimes it's hard to tell. Maybe a robin will pop by. He doesn't go. They don't go on the feeder, but they might come around. It's just easier to get worms right now. Could also just be bad timing. Like, popping at any given moment, time period. There's no guarantee there's going to be any birds there. So. Ooh, it's a downy woodpecker over there, if you can see. If you look at the pole, he's on there. That is a downy woodpecker. Like he's slowly inching his way down. And now he's on the sweet cage. Maybe he wanted some seed too? Well, he flew off. Yeah, the sweet goes pretty fast right now because the starlings just come in, eat it all, and leave. So it's surprised there's even still any sweet left. And that is a white-breasted nuthatch once more. Probably can recognize that now without me pointing it out. That is a northern mockingbird. Those can be annoying because they try to chase off male birds like I did right now, but sometimes it's a little more calm. You may notice he's a little bit like a blue jay, and I can see that. I mistook him for albino blue jay first, but their posture is different. They sit differently, and obviously they're gray, while blue jays are blue. Maybe a blue jay will pop by. I've had some blue jays in the feeder, so this guy loves to eat, like most of them do. And then he's gone. I don't know if you guys can hear him. And that would be a Carolina wren. I mean, not Carolina wren. Carolina chickadee. It'll be Carolina wrens too. I meant C1. I've had babies of those, so it's a Carolina wren family event too. And that would be the Carolina chickadee once more. That guy just flies in, grabs a bite, flies out, flies in, grabs a bite, flies out, and that's how he rolls. But that's to see him in the first place. I think that was 2 of them. Didn't get a close enough look though. I think that was a Carolina chickadee once more, but it could have been a best nuthatch, but it looks like a Carolina chickadee. Something else flew in. What, the same thing? I think that's the same thing. It's hard to tell when you don't get a good look at them. Sometimes they're on the wrong side, sometimes they... Well, that's a Carolina chickadee for sure. Let's keep calling him chickadee, since we're not going to see a black-capped chickadee, I don't think, so... Although you never know, like... We're not that far away from the territory. We're somewhere in the middle, but I don't think we'd see one. That's a nuthatch. Pretty much just 2 birds today, but still. That's chickadee. Alright guys, so this is the end of our 10-minute bird session, and I hope you enjoyed this. So we'll be doing another one of this probably next week, and I will be doing some Washington birds too when I go up to my grandma's house too, although those won't be uploaded right away. Ooh, there's a starling, and there was a titmouse and some other things, so they popped in at the end. So yeah, I'll be up at my grandma's house soon. I'll do some bird videos there and other stuff, but you won't be able to upload those right away because, yeah, but maybe we'll extend it a little further because everybody's hanging out here right now. So never mind, this is not the end of the session since everybody's coming in right now. We'll extend it to 20 minutes, say. If you look, this Carolina wren just flew onto the feeder. Well, something flew by. I think the starling scared it off. That's a nuthatch, I believe. Yeah, let's extend this a little farther since everybody came hanging in right now. Okay, now this is the end. Well, thanks for watching technically over a 10-minute session of bird watching, and I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll be switching it up soon with other birds. Thanks for watching. Come back soon and subscribe to this channel to keep up with your favorite shows here. Bye, guys.